But this was an extraordinary achievement. Years later, when I was director of a Sholom Aleichem Sunday school, it was a one-day school here on Long Island, I had what was probably the first Rosh Hashanah assembly, a secular Jewish assembly, and we had several hundred people attending. There were 80 some odd kids in the school, and it was clear that there was a desire, I still believe there still is, for Jews to celebrate their holidays without prayer, without necessarily involving a deity, because the deity, beginning with Benedict Spinoza, has not really been part of a significant segment, not a majority, but a significant segment of the Jewish people. And in the United States today, there are more Jews that are not synagogue affiliated. A great many of them, I think, not all, but a great many, I think, would very much like the kind of thing that the Sholom Aleichem schools and I put forth in the years when we were active. There is a small religious movement that was started by a rabbi called Sherwin Wine, whose synagogue gave up on God and on prayer. And they were friendly to Yiddish culture, but it was not as central to them.